1988, 5 feet 4 inches, 130 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes in connection with this abduction. The suspect is driving a stolen green 2014 Chevrolet Sonic with a Texas license plate number of GC West 5960. The suspect was last heard from in Beeville, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Beeville Police Department. News media point of contact is Beeville Police Department at 361-358.